Good morning, Amanda. And yes, we're seeing much of the same today, that cloud coverage as well as some scattered showers pretty much across the region for today. While we will see a little bit of a reprieve from that drizzle later this afternoon, we should expect to see some more scattered showers coming into our forecast later this evening, as well as even some flurries in northern parts of New Brunswick. Now, taking a look here at our forecast for today, we're seeing 7 as the high in Fredericton, in Halifax, as well as in Charlottetown. Today, we are going to see some increasing cloud coverage. We're going to have another low pressure system entering into our region later on this afternoon into the evening. We'll see most of the impacts of that later tonight. However, we still have some scattered showers to contend with over the course of this morning, mostly just drizzle though, so not a huge amount of accumulated rainfall. We have a special weather statement in effect, however. And yes, it is going to be early season snowfall. So we could see up to 15 centimeters of falling snow late Thursday night into Friday morning. Of course, that's with that pressure system that is going to be coming in. Here are the impacted areas as we take a look in that southeast corner of New Brunswick. We're seeing it into parts of eastern Nova Scotia as well as most of Prince Edward Island. So we'll continue to monitor the system and check back in on those warnings. As we take a look here, though, to start our day, we're seeing pretty nice temperatures to start our day, above seasonal once again. We do have a little bit of wind chill to contend with up in northern parts of New Brunswick as well as up in Labrador, but for the most part, what you're seeing is what you're feeling. So that's a good start to our day. We are continuing to contend with fog as well. We should see it start to dissipate throughout the course of this morning. And like I said, some scattered showers still hanging around in our region through the majority of today. We'll see some more coming through late Thursday and before we see a little bit more of this system that's behind me coming through on Thursday night. So just trace amounts of rainfall for the most part for today, the majority of it pooling around that Port aux Basques area. But for the majority of the region, we're just going to see some scattered showers and mostly cloudy conditions. Cooler temperatures up in northern New Brunswick, above seasonal throughout central and southern portions. We're going to see again above seasonal on to Prince Edward Island, into Cape Breton and eastern parts of Nova Scotia. Central Nova Scotia still dealing with some of that drizzle throughout the course of this morning, while we'll mostly see that sun start to pop through in western parts. Up in Labrador, we're going to see some flurries and rain coming across the region, but still above seasonal temperatures, and we're going to see some scattered showers hanging about in Newfoundland.